A lush forest waking up to the first light of dawn. Birds chirp softly as the sun rises. In a vibrant forest filled with life lived a clever little bird named Ruby. Ruby wakes up before sunrise, ready for her daily hunt for food. Ruby says to herself, "The early bird gets the worm." Ruby was known for her quick thinking and resourcefulness when it came to finding delicious treats. Ruby spots a tree with ripe berries and dives down to feast. As Ruby enjoyed her breakfast, she heard the forest come alive with the sounds of other birds starting their day. Throughout the day, Ruby continued to find abundant food because she always started early. Ruby shares her secret with other birds who are amazed by her success. Inspired by Ruby's wisdom, the other birds started waking up earlier and enjoying a bountiful feast every day. Ruby perched on a branch, looking content and satisfied. And so, Ruby and her fellow birds learned that being an early bird not only brings food, but also success and abundance.
Like, share, and subscribe.